Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert two columns with a border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert two column with border. Now select going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a text box. Now small layer page. Now draw a text box. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a outline option. Now click for edit option, then click for a for PT. Now again shape outline. Now initial color and click for a shape fill. Now click for a no fill option. That is. Now you can see, then click for a first column. Now keyboard press from now control order. Now from type. That is. Now you can see, then you show two columns with border in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.